In our capacity as the 48th CFM Chair, we will endeavour to increase OIC's role in international affairs. We shall raise our voice for safeguarding the rights of the Muslim minorities. We shall make endeavours to minimize the sufferings of the oppressed Muslims in Palestine, Kashmir, Myanmar, and elsewhere. We will continue to strengthen intra-OIC efforts as well as with other stakeholders on combating Islamophobia. Promotion of trade, investment, and economic cooperation among the member states would also constitute a priority for us. We shall host the 18th OIC Trade Fair this year with the aim of enhancing intra-OIC trade. We shall join hands with our brethren to promote science, technology, and innovation amongst Islamic countries. We shall further galvanize COMSTEC, enabling it to play a leading role in strengthening scientific and technological cooperation amongst the member states, especially in the areas of medicine, ICT, and agriculture.